Good morning, everyone. Today I am going to present on data analytics complete industry level training. This session is designed for students as well as professionals who want to build a strong foundation in analyticals and align themselves with industry requirements. Let's begin with the understanding what data analytics really means. This will help for all the courses like MBA, BBA, BBM, BCA, BCom, etc. And this is industry level corporate training. And nowadays you can see data analysis is very important, and the hiring on data analyst are more compared to other sectors. So let's begin. Data analytics is the process of collecting, cleaning, transforming, and analyzing data to extract useful insights. It helps organizations make informed decisions based on facts rather than assumptions. Today, data analytics is widely used across industry and forms the backbone of business intelligence and artificial intelligence system. Some tools I can share you which will help you for the data analytics like Power BI, by the use of Python, SQL, um, Tableau, etc. This will help you for data analytics, and MIS also very important here. Why data analytics matters? Data analytics plays a crucial role in improving business performance. It helps organizations identify patterns and trends, predict future outcomes, and make strategic decisions. With the help of analytics, companies can plan better and stay competitive in the market. Next is the types of data analytics. These are very important here, uh, because these all techniques, the process revolve around these types. And there are four main types of data analytics you can see on the screen. Descriptive analytics tells us what happened. Diagnostic analytics explain why it happened. Predictive analytics forecast what might happen, and prescriptive analytics suggest what action should be taken. Together, they provide a complete decision making framework. So these four are very important in analytics. Next is data analytics life cycle. The data analytics life cycle start with understanding the business problem. Then data is collected, cleaned, and explored. After that, models are built and insights are visualized. Finally, the solution is deployed for real world use. This structured approach ensures accurate and meaningful outcomes. Next is the tools covers. As I mentioned you, some tools are there which helpful for the data analytics. While you are doing the data analysis, tools help you to analyze the reports accurate and insights and meaningful information provides, which will helpful for your business growth. So in this course, we will cover essential industry tools such as Excel, SQL, Python, and Power BI. Along with this, we will also learn statistics, artificial intelligence, and machine learning concept to enhance analytical capabilities. So these are very important tools which helpful for analytical process. Excel for data analytics. As you can see in my earlier videos in that I have shown you the dashboard, how we are analyzing the reports, creating the charts and graph, and making the dashboard to understand the reports easily, instant reports. So Excel is the one of the most widely used tools in data analytics. It helps in performing calculation, creating pivot tables, building dashboards, and conducting what if analysis. It is especially used for beginners and business users. Next is SQL for data analytics. SQL is used to manage and query databases. It allows us to retrieve specific data using commands like select, where, and group by. We also use joins to combine data from multiple tables and create meaningful insights. Next is Python for data analytics. Python is a powerful programming language used in analytics. Libraries like NumPy help with numerical operations. Pandas is used for data manipulation, and Matplotlib and C1 are used for visualization. Python also helps automate tasks and build advanced analytical models. NumPy and Matplotlib. Matplotlib is used for the graphical representation, drawing, etc. and C1 for visualization as well. NumPy is for numerical things like if the data is from the sales and the numericals value it will be there. Though then we have to use the NumPy in Python and we have to install the Python. You can uh, install Anaconda and then in Jupyter Notebook Plus you can use the code for analyzing the reports. Next is Power BI Business Intelligence. Power BI is a business intelligence tool used to create interactive dashboard and reports. It includes Power Query for data cleaning, data modeling for relationship, and DAX for calculations. It helps business visualize and understand their data effectively. Next is statistics for analytics. These all are the very important as is the part of analytics. By combine this all analytics process, then only the meaningful reports we can generate and it will help for your organizations. Statistics is the foundation of data analytics. Concept like mean, median, and mode help summarize data. Variance and standard deviation measure variability, while correlation and regression help you for understand the relationship between the variables. And next is AI and machine learning in analyticals. Artificial intelligence, artificial intelligence, machine learning enhance data analytics by enabling predictive and automated decision making. Techniques like regression, classification, and clustering are widely used in business applications such as forecasting and customer segmentation. Industry level capstone project. This is most important. This course includes a capstone project where you will work on real world data. You will use tools like Excel, SQL, Python, and Power BI to analyze business performance and provide actionable insights. Deliverable, deliverables of projects. These deliverables of project at the end of the project, you will deliver a clean data set, analytical reports, interactive dashboards, and business insights. This output demonstrate your practical skills and industrial readiness. Next is career roles. Career roles. After completing this course, you can explore roles such as data analyst, business analyst, MIS executive, Power BI developer, and even junior data scientist. These roles are high demand across industries. As you can you can see on my job role or on my experience, I have been for 10 years in data operation as a data analyst team lead, and I have worked in many data which helpful for the business growth and their organization. And such as in pharma, I have worked. and then EdTech company where the one side tutor will be there and a student, and per day it is like 7,000 to 10,000 sessions conducting, and we need to generate the reports by using these techniques and using the tools like Power BI, um, Python, SQL, Excel, and creating the dashboard and directly reporting to the directors. So in college as well, I have to give the training on how to become a data analyst, business analyst, Power BI developer by use these techniques. So this is very important. We have to understand the history. Yeah, data analytics, it's nothing but it's a history where you have to work and assume for the future by creating the report and creating the dashboard and analyzing the reports. Then only you will find the loophole. So this is are very important. And skills you will gain important skills such as data cleaning, analytical thinking, dashboard creation, and decision making support. These skills are essential for successful career in data analytics. So, thank you for your attention. This program is designed to bridge the gap between academic knowledge and industry requirements through practical and hands-on learning. I hope this session gives you a clear understanding of the importance and scope of data analytics. In next video, I will show you how exactly all the process done and how we are analyzing the reports from initial point to the final, creating the dashboard and finding all the loops. So we need to follow some process. This is Sanjeev Kumar, assistant professor and data analyst from Simage College. And in our organizations, we give the training and as well as we conduct the classes. So whoever wants to join the college, they are very most welcome, and for training and for FDP also most welcome. Thank you.